How far can you drive on a spare tire? Have you ever wondered how far you can actually drive on a spare tire? This is an important question for any teenager who is new to driving and car ownership. Knowing this can help you stay safe during roadside emergencies. When you experience a flat tire and switch to a spare, it is essential to understand the limitations of that spare tire. Most spare tires fall into two main categories: compact spares, often called donut spares, and full-size spares. Compact spares are smaller and lighter, designed only for temporary use. On the other hand, full-size spares are the same size as your regular tires and can be driven on more like a normal tire. For compact or donut spares, the general advice is to drive no more than 50 miles and keep your speed at or below 50 miles per hour. These spares have less traction and durability than regular tires. This affects your car's handling, braking, and overall safety. If you drive faster or longer than recommended, you increase the risk of losing control or damaging the spare tire further. If you find yourself needing to drive longer than 50 miles, try not to exceed 70 miles, but this is not ideal and should be avoided if possible. When it comes to full-size spares, if they match your vehicle's other tires and are in good condition, you can drive on them for longer distances at normal speeds. However, even with a full-size spare, it is best to get your original tire repaired or replaced as soon as possible to maintain safety and performance. There are also run-flat tires, which are designed to allow you to drive up to about 50 miles at reduced speeds, usually no more than 50 miles per hour, after a puncture. These tires give you a bit more flexibility to reach a repair shop without changing the tire immediately. As a teenager, if you experience a tire blowout or flat, remember to use your spare tire only as a temporary fix. Your goal should be to get to a safe place or a tire repair shop. Keep your speed low, avoid long trips on the spare, and prioritize getting your regular tire fixed or replaced quickly. This approach helps you stay safe on the road and prevents further damage to your vehicle. To summarize, compact or donut spares should be used for a maximum of 50 miles at a speed of 50 miles per hour. Full-size spares can be driven longer distances at normal speeds if they are in good condition. Run-flat tires allow for about 50 miles of driving at reduced speeds. Always replace or repair your original tire as soon as possible. Drive cautiously and avoid high speeds or long distances on a spare tire. Following these guidelines will help you handle a tire emergency safely and responsibly as a young driver.